Then in 2008 came Donella. As you may guess, Donella comes from the words Don and Elaine, who run Align Ministries. We were so blessed by them that we decided to call this project Donella. And this is a school project. We started this project in 2008. That's when the whole idea was conceived. And what was the purpose for Donella? We felt that we needed, number one, to reach out to our young people. The younger generation is where the hope of our nation is. Our generation is corrupted. We think corruption is the way to go. We are set in our ways. We don't have the faith, the charisma to change the situations around us. But if we imparted all these qualities into the young children, they can grow up and they can have that charisma, they can have that righteousness, they can have that godliness, they can have the skills and the knowledge that it takes to transform their lives. These are children that have grown up in poverty. They've only known a grandmother who digs and a mud hut. What if we took these children and put them in a school and empowered them and told them, you are carrying a great responsibility. Poverty ends with you. The sickness you have suffered ends with you. The death and the trauma that you have seen ends with you. You are starting a new godly generation with a different mindset that is going to change not only your situation, but your community and your surroundings. You know what God said is that He chooses the little things of this world, the weak things of this world that everyone is looking down on. He picks up those things and shows His power through them. So we are picking these children from nothing, from weakness, from trauma, from hopelessness, and we are putting them into a school that will empower them, give them the charisma, and give them what it takes to stand up and say enough is enough. It ended with me. I am the godly generation that is going to change my community. And therefore Donella was birthed. Donella Nursery and Primary School. Started in 2000.